Today's teacher is Paula Childers of Alimtox. It's a foot cleanse, but it's beyond that. It's an ion cell detox foot cleanse. It also includes a Rife band, so it sends the frequency as your feet are being cleansed, and it sends the frequency up so that your body starts that process of detoxification. Now, you will see a mess come out and be at your feet, but that is only 5% of the detox. It's not meaning that there's junk coming out of you, but those are cells that are just being pulled, and it's speaking at a level that says, oh, if it's green, it could be this or it could be that. And so you see these different colors, and the colors are right here. They're depicted, and I'll just show you this right here so that you can see it. The different colors that you see, and what they mean. It could be your thyroid or your gallbladder, and then that could guide you into doing other things to help promote that wellness. Paula Childers is a wellness advocate, and she's going to be joining us on July 1st for a free webinar. Yes, you heard it clear, free 99. And it's on July 1st from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. You do need to register. The link is below. And when you register, it'll automatically get you a video that we're going to record the session. There's going to be Q&A. She's going to teach us about how this could be a major part of detoxification in your life. So if you've been looking at detoxifying, and this is a really easy way that you can do this at home. And there's a discount for the people that want to purchase this of $200. It's Lily 200. And there's so many different ways that you're going to learn how you can work with your body to get rid of the things that are keeping it from thriving. She gives examples in today's class, and I want to encourage you to check out today's class and go to whenyouneedafriend.com. While you're there, please subscribe, like, and follow me on all social media. Subscribe to the website. It's a two-step process. So when you subscribe on the website, email will automatically be generated to confirm that you were the person who registered. You just need to opt in. If you don't find it, just check out your junk mail because it's there. And then you can start getting notifications once a week of who's in the classroom and their connections and codes and whatever is going on. So I'm really excited that on July 1st, we're going to come together worldwide for a free, yes, you heard correctly, free webinar with Paula Childers. We're going to learn all about the ion cell cleanse detox. And it's a comfortable way for you to sit and watch TV while your body is communicating at a cellular level to heal. Now, 48 hours after you do this, your body is detoxifying through the ways that you waste, whether it's through your poop, your pee, or your perspiration. The three P's is what I like to call it. And so you will start seeing that things are coming out that way. That's how you get rid of this detox, the garbage that's in our body. We're human garbage cans, and our lymphatic system is part of that. And so if you want to learn more, check out today's conversation. You can click the link below. If you have any questions, you can email me at lily@whenyouneedafriend.com, or you can text me at 407-373-5959. We are going to have an opportunity for all of us to ask questions at no risk for you, just other than your time. And you will get all the information that you need. And I am really excited that we're going to be doing this with Paula Childers. And so I hope that you will put this date down, July 1st. It's the only day I'm taking July off, but it's the only day that I am working because I love you so much. And I really do value this product, and I want to encourage you to see how this fits into your life. If it does, if it doesn't, that's fine too. But I'm excited about it. And please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lily McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah!